This is a short video about the M2 SSD adapter for the Lenovo Thinkcentres and Thinksystems. This one's obviously branded for the Thinkstation, but this is the part number for the Thinkcentre M700 M900 series as well. So just going to unbox it and show you what you get for your £20 if you buy it off Lenovo website. Just open it up. Inside we have a service support and warranty information. Quite a useful manual. Mostly graphical. Telling you what to do. And inside we have a nice little heatsink. I'll just open up the anti-static fan. There's one here. We have the adapter itself, which is quite nice because this is a low profile version. As you can see, rather than actually use screws, it uses a tiny plastic clip that holds the SSD and NVMe SSD drive in place. So that's it. You see, it's quite smart and quite well designed in comparison to some of the cheaper options you have on eBay. So this is going to go in my Thinkcentre M900 server, which I think should fit in quite nicely. Anyway, thank you for watching.